Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Like a Boss. In this video I'm going to teach you how to convert a big Excel file into the PDF file format. To change file format from Excel to PDF, actually all you have to do is just to save file as a PDF, and to do that you have to go to File, Save As, and in the drop down menu choose PDF and save. Okay, that was easy, but something went wrong. We don't have all the data, all the columns we had in Excel in the same sheet. It's divided by the sheets, and if we are going back to the Excel file, we can see that after saving this file, here the page break lines appeared. Next question is how to fix that. And firstly, we have to check if Options, Advanced, and Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop box is ticked. Okay, I have it, and now we can change the page breaks by ourselves. In order to do that, you have to go to the view, choose the page break view, and now you can beautifully see how many pages you have, and it's 6. What I wanted to do is to have all my columns in the same page. To do that, I have to grab this blue dotted line right here, which is the border of the page break, and drag and drop it to the end of the data. Now you can see I have only one page. If I wanted to add more page breaks, for example here, I have to go in between two columns, make a right click, and here it is, insert a page break. Now we have 2 pages, and to remove this I can also just take it and drag and drop it to the very end. And now I again have only one page. Also, if you wanted to add the page break but not to the columns but to the rows, do the same. Only go between rows, right click, and insert a page break. So if you have played around and you understand you have done something wrong, you can always go back to the default settings. Go between rows or between columns, and here it is, reset all page breaks, and we are back to the original ones. So in this example I want to have just all the columns in the same page, and to do that I will again drag and drop this to the very end of my data, and in order to save this file as PDF, I have to do the same as I did before. File, Save As. This will be version 3. Let's choose a PDF in the drop down menu and save. Okay, you can see that we have all your data in the same page. In cases when you have more than one page and you wanted to repeat your header of a table in every page, you can do that by going to Page Layout, Print Titles, and here, Rows to Repeat at the top, choose your top table row. Okay. Also, let's have more than one page. page break. Now we have 2 pages. Let's see how the outcome looks like. And as a result, we have 2 pages with repeating table rows in each page. Okay guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section.